Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In this appeals, the appellants call in question the correctness of an order dated 11 September, 2007 passed by a division bench of the High Court of Delhi, whereby the appellants have been found guilty of contempt and directed to remain present in person before the High Court for being heard on the quantum of sentence to be awarded to them. Stop. Facts necessary for appreciating the challenge mounted by the appellants may be summarized as under. Stop para. Appellants number 1 and 2 are the editor and city editor respectively of Midday, an English daily newspaper, with a large circulation in the National Capital Region. Stop. Appellant number 3 happens to be the printer and publisher of the papers, while appellant number 4 is a cartoonist working for the said paper. Stop. The genesis of the suo motu contempt proceedings initiated by the High Court of Delhi lies in a story that appeared in Midday in its issue dated 2nd May, 2007 under the title Injustice. Stop. The substance of the publication brought to light the alleged misuse of the official residence of Justice Savarwal, who demitted office as Chief Justice of India on 13th January, 2007, by the same being shown as the registered office of 3 companies promoted by Justice Savarwal's sons. Stop. A second story published on 18th May, 2007 in Midday pointed out that Justice Savarwal's son had entered into a partnership with shopping malls and commercial complex developers just before Justice Savarwal passed orders for selling of commercial establishments running in residential areas in different parts of Delhi. Stop. This, according to the story, benefited the partnership business of Justice Savarwal's sons. Stop. On 19th May, 2007 came a third story that quoted some senior lawyers saying that if the facts about Justice Savarwal's sons' partnership business benefiting from the orders of Justice Savarwal's bench were true, then Justice Savarwal should not have heard the case. Stop. The paper also carried in the same issue a cartoon by Muhammad Irfan Khan, appellant number 4, showing as if Justice Savarwal's family had benefited from the orders passed by the Justice Savarwal's bench. Stop para. It was in the above backdrop that Sri R.K. Anand, an advocate practicing in Delhi High Court, appears to have placed a copy of the newspaper dated 18th May, 2007 before a division bench of the High Court of Delhi on 21st May, 2007 to draw the attention of the court about the article published in the said paper, mailing the former Chief Justice of India and tending to lower the image of the judiciary in the eyes of the common man. Stop. Prima facie satisfied that the news item was objectionable and tended to lower the image of judiciary in the eyes of the common man. Stop. The High Court initiated suo motu contempt proceedings and issued show cause notice to appellants number 1 to 3 stop. On 25th May, 2007, Sri Anand appears to have filed another copy of Midday newspaper dated 19th May, 2007 before the High Court, which carried the cartoon drawn by the appellant number 4, the paper's cartoonist stop. The High Court found the same also to be objectionable and issued notice even the appellant number 4 to show cause why contempt proceedings may not be initiated against him. Stop. এই প্যাসেজের সমস্ত পিডিএফ এবং স্ট্রোকগুলো পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।